Well, it all started 50 years ago, believe it or not. I was 19, was wounded in Vietnam, and last thing I remember before the surgeon put me under, he said, "Don't worry, Sarge, we'll try to save your leg." So then I kept having problems with the leg, and I kept going to the VA, and they kept giving me pain pills. I said, "I don't want pain pills," and I had to learn to walk again, and it was very difficult. Came here, they fixed me up with this great shoe. I was kind of leery about coming here. I came here, I got measured up, and he told me, he says, "When we're all done with this," he says, you are not going to believe how good you feel." And again, I'm skeptical, and I was like, yeah, right. And after 2 weeks, I was convinced, and I am more convinced now. What were you guys 50 years ago? That's what I want to know. I tried Dr. Scholl's and other stuff like this, and it helped out a little, but nothing like this. Hey, I'm able to do things now that I wasn't able to do before. I told him, I said, "You're a miracle worker. You really are." For 50 years, not being able to walk normally, and now I got it back. I'm happy as a clam. For 50 years, it's been a real pain, literally and physically. And so I came here, and it was tough the first 2 weeks. It was realigning my body and my leg, and now it's like, it's amazing. It really is. It's like you just, took this off, put a whole new leg on. My friends, my family have all said that, I got a new lease on life because I feel so much better. Oh, I'd recommend this highly to anybody who had any kind of prosthetic problem or injury like I had. It's turned my life around. People, after a while, you get to be numb towards it. Emotionally and physically, it's something you have to deal with. And now it's no longer there.